Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Enable Bluetooth and location on your phone, and switch the Xuv700 ignition to ACC so the infotainment wakes. Once done, use the car's phone or Bluetooth menu and choose Add New Device. This makes the system discoverable. On your phone, scan for the Xuv700 name. You'll see a pairing request appear on both screens. Make sure to confirm the same PIN on phone and car to establish a secure link before proceeding to profile settings. Once the pairing PIN matches, accept the request on both the Xuv700 display and your phone to finalize connection. This step creates the Bluetooth profile. Next, grant permissions on your phone for contacts, call history, and media. This lets the car access the phone book and stream audio. In the car's Bluetooth settings, set the paired device as the default for calls and media. This ensures music plays and hands-free calling works automatically. If necessary, rename the device for easy future selection. Finish by testing. Make a hands-free call and play a song to verify both phone and media operate through the Xuv700. After confirmation, enable Auto Connect or Priority Device so your phone reconnects automatically when in range. If pairing repeatedly fails, unpair and remove old profiles on both devices, restart your phone and the car's infotainment system, then retry the pairing sequence. This clears stale profiles and often resolves visibility or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.